Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about one of the properties that control the space that surrounds an element, and the one that we're going to be learning today is called padding. We already learned borders, which is one of the properties as well, and there's something called margin. So let me explain the difference between all three. So I made this sketch so try to make it easier for you guys to understand. So if I have a content that could be represented in a text or an image, and then I have a border to that image, the space between the border and the image itself is called padding. So if I add a padding, I'm gonna have a space between my image to the border. But if I do add a margin, so that would be outside of my border. So in an example, if I have two images and I'm trying to space them from each other, I will add a margin. But if I want to space that image from its border, then I will add a padding. So let's actually experiment this and play with the code and see how it actually works. So you guys remember I already have an image right here with no padding, nothing, just the image and a border. So let's add a padding to it and let's see how it actually would look like. So I'm gonna go to my style, and I already have a tag for the image right here. So I'm gonna add padding, and I'll put a colon, and I'm gonna put a 50 pixel of padding. And what would this do? You guys will see it in just a second. And I didn't save it, so let me save it. We'll see that the image is right here, and I have a space between the image and the border. So let's do padding only from the top. So you can actually do padding from only one side. We can do top, and we can do bottom, we can do right, and we can also do left. So I'm gonna do one from only the top, and I'll do 50 pixels as well. And if I refresh, I'm gonna have padding only from the top. So that's the general idea of padding. I'll probably explain more in later tutorials, but that's the basic idea of it. And in the next tutorial, I'm gonna explain how margin works as well. So I hope you guys learned something new in this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it as well. So let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Enjoy the rest of your day.